COVE is where innovations become ventures and opportunities become careers. At COVE, there is a wealth of experienced and talented people working together to build sustainable growth in Canada's marine sector. We are a central hub for visionary companies to share their knowledge and expertise while introducing the next revolutionary innovations, a place where leaders become teams. COVE is strategically positioned on the shore of Canada's most active harbor. Our international reach allows companies to make partnerships and access markets around the globe. Our ability to connect leaders in the marine ecosystem ensures that the future of the marine economy is in the most capable hands. Here, great ideas have a pathway to market. Our facility infrastructure allows designs to be tested and refined before manufacturing an ocean-ready product. We're building a workforce of the future with initiatives that are bringing the ocean into the classroom. We are developing resources and activities that allow educators to expand marine learning. Ideas become solutions, and prototypes become patents. We are home to some of the best companies in the marine tech ecosystem, and we are training the people to join them. COVE, where marine innovation meets excellence.